we're gonna put some olive oil in here so we can saute our eggplant. But first, I'm going to cook the meat separately, the chicken. In the chicken, I'm gonna put some soy sauce. So we're gonna saute. Here is our garlic, shallot, and again we already put some soy sauce in here. We can add bell pepper ahead of time. Put some sugar in here as well. Mix it. That's so good. Let's put some seasoning. And I also would like to put some teriyaki here. So it's going to be a teriyaki chicken. Once this is ready, we can put it separately and then we'll cook our eggplant. Let's cover that one. Let's cover it. Alright, let's check. I think that is ready. I'm going to take that out and saute our eggplant. Okay, so we are going to use the same pan because I like the extra flavors in there, the leftover flavors. So we're gonna put some, again, garlic and shallot at the same time, and let's put our eggplant. Yeah. Let's still put our black pepper. A little bit of seasoning. Cover it. All right, let's check. Okay, our eggplant is ready. Now we're gonna put this back, the one that we cooked earlier. Our meat with sauce in it. Okay. Looks good. Put our onions in here. We're gonna leave some to top it at the top, to decorate it at the top later. turn it off. So we also have some cut up parsley. Let's put it, fresh one, and mix it in. And that should be ready to go. So we are now ready to plate our eggplant. Ooh, this is still hot. And I think I'm gonna just hold it like this. Oh yeah. Oops, oops, oops. Okay, okay. Let's arrange it. And there you have it, our eggplant with chicken and topped with parsley and green onions. So here is our final eggplant with chicken and teriyaki sauce, topped with fresh parsley and green onions, and decorated with cucumber and carrots. I hope you had a great time cooking with me. If you like this video, this recipe, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you all next time. Happy cooking, everyone.